UK planners require a blend of software skills and construction process knowledge. A deep understanding of construction processes is essential for excelling in planning roles. Employers highly value practical knowledge in addition to technical abilities. Candidates demonstrating both skill sets are prioritized during hiring. This ensures effective planning and project execution in the UK construction sector. Construction knowledge involves understanding the proper order of building activities. A key principle is to lay foundations before erecting steel structures. This practical insight ensures realistic project schedules. Schedules must accurately reflect real-world construction constraints. Adhering to the correct sequence optimizes efficiency and prevents errors. Successful construction planners often possess a background in site engineering. Alternatively, they may have experience in general construction practices. This background provides first-hand knowledge of building processes. This practical experience is invaluable in the planning phase. It enables planners to understand the intricacies of construction projects. This understanding helps them quickly gain the trust of project teams. Effective project planning requires strong logical reasoning skills. Mastery of software like Primavera P6 alone is not sufficient. A deep understanding of critical path analysis is essential. Planners must understand how delays affect overall project timeline. UK projects, particularly those under NEC contracts, rely on logical schedules. Well-maintained schedules are crucial for project success. A key element is understanding the dependencies between tasks. Effective project management hinges on recognizing these task relationships. Demonstrating why an activity is critical showcases a planner's competence. Explaining how delays impact the completion date further proves planning skill. This clarity ensures all stakeholders understand the project's importance. It also highlights the consequences of not meeting deadlines. Such transparency is essential for keeping projects on track. Effective communication is a key component of successful project management. Planners in the UK frequently deal with both commercial and contractual aspects of projects. A deep understanding of the project contract is essential for effective planning. This understanding helps in aligning the contract with the project schedule. Planners must be able to interpret contract terms and conditions. While legal expertise is not a prerequisite, a working knowledge of contract law is beneficial. Effective planning requires a clear understanding of the contract's implications for project timelines. Familiarity with NEC clauses is crucial for effective contract management. Clauses 31 and 32 are particularly important in managing compensation events. Compensation events can significantly impact project costs and timelines. Planners must navigate these clauses with precision to protect project interests. Effective management of these clauses ensures contractual obligations are met. Effective communication is crucial for project success. Planners must communicate clearly with project managers. Clients and commercial teams also need to be informed. This includes updates on delays, changes, and forecasts. Clear communication is essential for a planner's effectiveness within a project team. A planner's communication skills directly impact their value to the project. Effective communication builds trust among all stakeholders. Trust, in turn, facilitates better collaboration among team members. Therefore, clear communication is indispensable for successful project outcomes. A successful planning career in the UK requires a combination of skills and knowledge. Construction knowledge is essential for understanding project feasibility and implementation. Solid planning logic is needed to develop effective and coherent project strategies. The ability to connect the project schedule to the contract and its users ensures alignment and successful execution. Construction sequencing involves strategically ordering tasks to optimize project efficiency. A key principle is to install essential services, such as plumbing and electrical systems, before applying finishes. Proper sequencing is vital for creating realistic and achievable project timelines. This knowledge effectively bridges the gap between initial project planning and practical execution. Identifying critical path activities is essential for project planning. Managing these activities helps mitigate potential delays. This proactive approach ensures projects stay on schedule. Effective risk management minimizes disruptions throughout the project lifecycle. Understanding compensation events is crucial for effective project management. Compensation events can significantly impact the project timeline. Project planners must adjust schedules schedules based on these events. Effective resource allocation is necessary to mitigate the impact of compensation events. This ensures fair and accurate project management throughout the project lifecycle. Understanding the impact of delays on project milestones is crucial for effective project management. Clearly, articulating these impacts enables informed decision-making. Project managers can then take prompt corrective actions based on this understanding. Transparency in communicating potential delays is key to proactive management. Open communication helps stakeholders understand and address the consequences of delays. Mastering key skills is crucial for a project planner's success. These skills enable the planner to become a key project team member. Expertise in planning is essential for driving projects forward. Effective communication ensures smooth project execution. A skilled planner contributes to successful project completion. These skills collectively enhance the planner's value and impact.